Alright, take 2. Storm with the Romanian underfolder.
Okay.
Okay.
Fire in the hole.
Clear.
Clear.
What do you think about that one? You like the AR or that one?
I don't know. I like both of them pretty well.
That one.
Pretty good.
That one. That means business, dude.
Yeah, it does.
All right, you want to shoot one?
Yeah, what am I doing?
Get the one of the mags out of there.
Oh,
Out of the tan one.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the matter, Bray?
Let him shoot in a minute.
I want to do the 20 out of my...
Okay.
Two.
Okay.
I want to do my 20.
Ooh, the southpaw.
Fire in the hole.
The southpaw.
Whatever you
Oh,
want.
wait a minute. Wait. I want. Since you're going to be there, I want to go down here.
Yeah, I was down there. Video's actually quite good.
There you go.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, much better.
Sure?
Yeah.
All right, fire in the hole. Go long range, here we go.
Long. Go for it. Clear?
Clear. Can I put it back?
Very good, Johnny. Yeah. I go one right out of this one. Wait a minute. Or should be that one.
this
Is
one.
that brass?
No.
Steel? Okay.
Watch out, the barrel's hot. Feel that.
You don't say.
After all those rounds, she better be a little warm.
Mm-hmm.
Fire in the hole.
Hold on. Let me come back up there and get this other angle.
You can smell it.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Alright, fire in the hole.
Oh, I smell like gunpowder in the afternoon. We'll push with you. Clear. What do you think there, brother?
Oh, yeah,
You
definitely.
like that or the milled one?
That's hot as shit.
What?
You like that one still?
Yeah, it's getting really hot though.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't do that.
Hence the name Firearm.
Yeah, like, see, it's smoking. It's about to
Okay.
catch on fire.
Ooh, bitch be hot. Bitch be hot.
Yeah, it is.
I couldn't hold it. That's why I was trying to get a different grip on it. And,
Alright.
like,
You just
before
stay
my
right there and
face-
smoke, okay? You think about it. You know what? You want something to smoke about? I'll give you something to smoke about. Hold this.
Oh man, here we go.
Oh, God. Really get the bitch hot.
Still like light on fire.
Here we go. Make sure you get fire in the hole.
That's my kind of rainbow.
Really hot.
Because that's my kind of rainbow.
Okay.
Get it? Gives us
Can't really see it.
Oh,
But
yeah.
it is smoking. Right out of all the cracks in the front and the barrel.
I love the smell of burnt cherry in the morning.
Alright,
See all
well,
the brass flying.
we gonna let Brady take a turn on something?
Whew, that's hot.
Yeah, no, really.
Doug,
Yeah.
you can see all the brass flying
Yeah.
in the
Want me to end-
rainbow.
want me to
end this for now?
That's my kind of rainbow.
Yeah, you can definitely see that smoke. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
smoking.
Come on,
Alright.
old man.
Doug.
Get up there.
Should we start a new video for him?
No,
Just
we'll be alright.
keep rolling. Alright.
Doug, when I saw all the brass, I was like, that's my kind of rainbow.
You know it, Daddy-o.
He doesn't edit.
Oh, he doesn't?
No.
I've never shot this.
You shot Jeffries.
I know.
I feel
It's the same damn thing.
Yours is
I don't
way
know if
more
he's going
height
to,
better than his was.
Okay.
Because you have the high. Wait, I gotta stand up for this.
Okay, but I'm gonna help you hold it, okay? I'm gonna put the stock in, because you'll be
I didn't
okay.
sound like it was your fault.
Your finger off the trigger.
Just like,
Put this
On.
yeah. Now you remember, put the top of that post in the center of that circle.
knocked back over.
Okay? I'm gonna hold it right here with you, okay?
you're getting ready for it. You're like,
And remember, whenever you're ready, you say fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Don't grab the fire. Take your time.
Can I have some earmuffs, please?
here,
Oh,
have
yeah.
these.
No, I want those.
Yeah, here.
My ear is like on
Sorry,
fire.
Barry. Here. I thought you had your plugs in.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Alright. Now I'm gonna hold you here, okay?
His ear's on fire.
Don't cut the tree down now. Be mad.
I love you, Brady.
Close.
Clear.
Here's Clow.
Little brew. Little brew with the AR.
Yeah.
All right, I got
buddy.
one more.
Just, you gotta shoot before this video ends.
Yeah.
My ears were always on fire. That's ridiculous. I want to shoot something else. Did you see the ginormous explosion of dust? Like,
Like, watch this.
He was like,
Mad
that
pile.
has more kick than I remembered.
Oh!
that one's
Look at that smoke. A little hot.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Is that
functions flawlessly.
Gotta give them that.
Especially for one that's been in lockup for 7 years.
Yeah.
Doug, you wanna end this video?
Yeah, we're gonna cut it off for now and try to find some more ammo.